Card situation. What do you do here, Cam?
Oh, this is exciting. You know, most people, you know, may just add a little bit of something here or there. Josh Holt, he creates these opportunities, getting one strong run in the bag and being able to just kind of throw caution to the wind. This guy has so many tricks. So a lot of excitement building up for this drop in here for Josh Holt.
So excited to watch it. He's in third place. He could get the wild card. Dropping in right now. 33 years young, Josh Holt.
Double bar to start things off. Off of the new Belgium, all on to the power right here. 360 double downside whip. And the perfect. Hold together, Josh. You got this. Backflip bar stand up. Look at the aggression. Looking up to the last Are you kidding me? It's way too quiet in here. Give it up for Josh Holt. Woo! Son.